this, we are on our way. You drive
Where?
Where? We're going to Stockholm and we're gonna...
I'm driving at the same time.
Okay, I'm vlogging. We're gonna pick up counter desk.
Yes,
Counter for our new little business. We're so excited. We're having a little road trip here, so yeah, you come along.
And it's perfect, this desk.
Yes, it's perfect. It's like a half moon and beautiful with stone, and it's pink. Maybe we'll paint it. Yeah, we'll see. But it's beautiful. The perfect interior element.
Yes.
Yes, we love it.
Det är mer på tak.
So now we just picked up our truck.
I'm scared!
You're driving like a true queen.
Thank you.
So look at this. You are so focused. Okay, I will switch this off. So once.
I can't find the gas pedal is very hidden.
Yeah, and it's a manual drive. Ah.
Här kommer solen.
Här kommer solen. Here it comes. So now we had a little food stop. Let's go.
Let's go.
So Martina, are you happy?
Very happy.
We're happy!
We have counter.
Yay! And it's beautiful! Look at this. Martina! Hi! What have we got ourselves into?
Oh my god.
As always, we have no clue what we are doing, but we're working on it. It will be okay. Right?
Right.
Right?
Right. I hope so.
I hope so too. Say again. You feel so
manly?
Yeah. Really power man. Okay. We are now ready to go with Martina's fina knut.
My famous råbandsknot.
It's a knot. It's not a...
It's not a knot.
It's not an ordinary. Perfect. Ja. Inte så mycket vlogg, men det här är så fint. Man har inte valt det här. Det är bara så här bilen. Ja. Carpool karaoke.
And finally we got it home and safe. We got it into my living room, and after 9 hours we left our little truck back to the owner.